week of Missouri turkey season. I'm up here in Missouri on our lease on the spot we call the Walnut Grove. We got a ton of birds on this ridge. We probably got 10 plus birds that fired off this morning. It's the most gobbles I've heard all year. We do have some hens with the ones behind us, and they're firing off to her, so we're gonna sit tight. We're gonna ride this hole in this blind. I'm self-filming this morning, so spotting stalking is kind of out of the question. So something's bound to come by, though. And if so, Mossberg's gonna let these woods light up a little bit. So. I may regret that decision here in a little bit, but those are some small jakes, so there's always tomorrow with them. I bet they roost in the same spot, so it's tough to flip your safety off on one of those when you got long beards gobbling down here. We'll see. Oh my gosh. Unreal, man. Unreal. Alright, I got it done. Unbelievable hunt. Had a ton of birds on the roost, a bunch of hens. It was just an action-packed morning. Told myself I wasn't going to pass up an opportunity on a jake if it came out and put on a show. Well, sure enough, a jake came out strutting, and I just couldn't pull the trigger. Knew there's bigger birds out here, so I waited for a little bit. Those jakes kind of moved on. I was sitting there and I hear a bird drumming behind me with a hen clucking. I knew it was about to go down. I thought the bird was going to come out to the right. Well, I look up my left shoulder and two more toms come out to the left of me with the hen, and this one was the one that was strutting. As that's going on, I still hear that bird behind me drumming, but this one, 40-yard shot, full strut. It put on a heck of a show, and there's no way I could have let this one go. He's got probably about a 10-inch beard. I think I got great footage of it, had the GoPro angles going. It was just an unbelievable hunt. I'm blessed to have this opportunity, so I'm excited. I'm gonna get this thing tagged up, and I'm gonna head on back to Zach's house, and we're gonna get this edited up here in a little bit once he finishes up work and everything. So this is our fourth bird down this season. I'm tagged out, so I'm back in cameraman mode this weekend, trying to get Zach and Levi to do the same. So we're looking forward to another fun weekend. We already kicked it off pretty good, so